Time for a side quest blanket. Can you guess what it's going to be? Starting with skein number 1. To start this blanket off, we're going to do foundation double crochet. So to do that, I pull a loop, pinch, pull through, pull through, pull through, and that gives me a chain of 2, like that. All right, from there you wrap, come down through the middle of that first chain, pull through 1 loop, pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2. From there, wrap. You'll come down to the base of that stitch right here, the very next one over, pull up 1 loop, go through 1, go through 2, go through 2. And this creates a foundation double crochet, and whenever you straighten it up, you can see your double crochets. I will see you at the end of this row where we turn our yarn. When you get to the end of the row, the way I like to turn my yarn is I will do a 1, 2, and a 3rd chain to make it easier to go into, and then I rotate my work around, wrap, go into the very next stitch, wrap and pull through, wrap and pull through, and continue on across the top 2 stitches just like that, all the way across. So at this point, I'm going to see you when I finish using this color, and we'll move on to the next bit. Now that we are at the end of the body of the blanket, in order to tie off, I like to pull up a loop like so, kind of leaving some of it still in here, and then go into that and pull this string through, and that will create a nice it will not untie knot type thing. And that is the only knot in this whole blanket aside from the very beginning one. So next we're going to add the white. When I'm attaching a new color, I like to go in the very last stitch that I'm working with and then pull my color through, and then from there I pull both strands until just that one pops out like that, and that will give me an attached stitch. Now whenever it's tightened down, I can then do my chain of 2 and then start double crocheting across with the tail tucked under like that. And so we're going to work this all the way across to the other end, and I'll see you whenever we get there. Just to kind of show what I did here was I put 1 in the post, 1 between the post, 1 in the post, and so on and so forth down the side. Okay, for this next bit, we're going to go through this last stitch here, and we're going to come in and grab our red and black like that, and then this time we're going to pull all of this through our new loop just like so. It might be a little tricky, but pull that through and then pull all that yarn through, which will leave you these 2 tails and a loop. Now from this loop, we're going to use this to stitch all the way down this side. All right, so to start this off, we want to do 1, 2, then we're going to wrap and come down in here into this post and put us a double crochet. Then we're going to wrap, we're going to go over into this post, do a double crochet, and if you see, this is going to be our little like sparkly tip. So we're going to do this all the way down a nice even row, and I'll see you whenever we get to the end of it. Okay, now that we got our ends all the way finished down here at the very end, we can pull this tight, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take an upholstery needle and weave these ends in, and then I'll show you the drop video. Let's go. The way that came out, where it looks like a little cherry on tip. Yeah, I hope you guys have a great day. Stay hydrated, clean as you go. No peace.